Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on switching the displayed responses in WordPress. In this guide you will learn how to navigate your WordPress site, sign in securely, and select the specific source of responses you want to manage, all in a matter of minutes. This process is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for you to quickly access and adjust your site settings. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner where you will find the login option. Clicking this option initiates the process of accessing your WordPress dashboard, an area where you can manage various site features and settings. After clicking the login option, you will see several methods to authenticate your identity. One popular option is to sign in using your Google account. To do this, click on the Continue with Google button, which will allow you to benefit from a secure and streamlined login experience. A list of associated Google accounts will appear, so select the one that is already connected with your WordPress site. This method not only simplifies your sign-in process, but also helps maintain a robust level of security. Once you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation of your WordPress dashboard. Within this dashboard, locate the section labeled Feedback. The feedback area is specifically designed to help you monitor and manage the responses that your visitors submit. Clicking on feedback brings you to a dedicated page where all the collected inputs are organized for your convenience. Within the feedback section, you will find an option called the All Sources dropdown. This interactive element is essential because it allows you to view the data from various feedback channels that you have integrated into your site. By clicking on the dropdown, the interface reveals a list of all available sources, giving you the flexibility to choose which set of responses you wish to see at any given time. After expanding the drop-down menu, select the specific source of responses you want to display. This selection process is straightforward and particularly useful if your website gathers feedback from multiple channels such as different forms or widgets. Choosing the correct response source refines your view and makes it easier to analyze and manage the feedback unique to that channel. This tutorial provides a clear and efficient method for switching the display of responses in WordPress. The process is laid out in a logical order, starting from accessing the website and logging in with your Google account, to navigating the dashboard and managing your feedback sources. These carefully designed steps ensure that you maintain control over how user responses are viewed and managed on your site. The detailed nature of these instructions aims to enhance your experience with WordPress, making your daily website management tasks simpler and more efficient. This guide, originally published on a trusted online guide platform, offers practical insights and easy to follow directions that are valuable for website administrators and content managers alike. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility that comes with being able to quickly adjust your response settings.